In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your air fryer with a step-by-step guide. So we're going to sides down with a degreaser, and then we're going to do the top for the first step. We're going to really let that degreaser work in there, and then just do the top element bit as well. There we are. So the next citrus cream, and it's for ovens, air fryers, for anything, paste. And what you do is you just rub it on. And I rub it on the sides, the top, and I do it with a toothbrush and really get in there. And also the top bit here, as you can see, all the grease is coming off. And you can see it's all brown there. That's the bit you really want to get as well. And you want to do the sides with it, the top. Just going to carry on doing the sides. I'm going to massage the cream in on the top. Make sure the air fry is switched off. And make sure it's cool as well. You don't want to be touching or burning yourself. You really want to massage it all in. You can do it with a toothbrush, or you can just do it with your hands. You can put a glove on, it's completely up to you. You want to get that cream massaged in, and then the next stage is you need to leave it for a bit and just let it work its magic after you've massaged it in. You're also going to need a non-abrasive sponge. You don't want it abrasive so it doesn't ruin the surface of the air fryer. You don't want to be scratching up the air fryer. So it's got to be non-abrasive, and on the other side it's not that harsh neither. It's a really good sponge for air fryer cleaning. Get that from any general store. You want to give it a good scrub on the sides. Really get in there, don't be shy. Just really get deep in there. Put a little bit of pressure on it just to get that grease and grime off. I'm also working that citrus powder as well when I'm scrubbing, so I really want that citrus powder to work, citrus cream to work good. I really want to get all them brown spots off it. Put a little bit more cream on, as you can see, and just try and get under that fan. You're not going to get everything off because the fan, you can't move it, it's fixed on, so you've just got to try and work around the element to make sure that everything's okay and it's secure and it's clean. You've got to really work around that element. And just while I'm cleaning it, a few points on why we do this: so that it keeps the air fryer clean, number one, so it doesn't make it smell, and it keeps the performance of the air fryer as well. That's why you want to keep on top of it and really keep your air fryer clean. Right in the nooks and crannies with the toothbrush. That's what's really good about a toothbrush. One bit on the Ninja Combi is you turn the Ninja Combi upside down, and you get the toothbrush with a little bit of cream on, and you just rub it in. And that's the best way you can do it, because you can see where the dirt and grime is. You've really got to rub it in. Got one of these brushes, that helps as well, just getting under the fan. But just be careful. Try not to scratch any surfaces. You just want to get that grease and grime off. Now if you've got big hands, you're going to find this hard. And the idea is just to get under the element, not too much, because you don't want to displace anything or scratch anything, and you can't take anything off, or it's not warranted anymore. So you've just got to give it a really good scrub as much as you can underneath the element. I understand you're not going to get everything out, you know, for the fiddly bits you can use the toothbrush, but you've got to try and give everything a real good scrub so that it's nice and clean. Marks, and just check the condition of the air fryer when you clean it as well, that there's no screws loose, there's no big grease build up, and it's harking the performance of your air fryer, because you want your air fryer to perform really good when you're cooking. Now the important thing also about doing this is you're going to need a good degreaser. So any degreaser, but you'll need a really good one, and you need to squirt it obviously inside on the bad bits, the fat and the grease. And it should leave it for a couple of seconds, and it'll just lift it off. A couple of seconds, couple of minutes, and it will lift that grease off the fan. Just be careful you just don't knock anything or unscrew anything while you're scrubbing. Now you want to get a damp warm cloth, and you want to wipe the air fryer out after you've done that. Then on the Ninja Combi there's a steam function on. You want to put your tray in with a little bit of lemon and a little bit of white wine vinegar, set it on the steam function just to get all them chemicals out of that you've used in the degreaser and everything. I hope you like the clean of the air fryer. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.